Welcome back, Flare community. Today, I really want to elaborate on some of the finer details about the Songbird reward epoch cycle. Now, we're going to talk about the best times to change your votes, and even the times when you should think about unwrapping your Songbird tokens and putting them to use in a different way. So, first and foremost, I've been getting a lot of questions about this promotion that we have running for Best FTSO. For those of you who don't already know, I'm actually a part of the Best FTSO team, and we're working really hard to give you something a little bit different. And the first one being this exclusive NFT here, which celebrates the various signal providers that were delegating from the very first epoch number 1. As you can see, many familiar signal providers there. So in order to get this, you actually need to delegate at least 1,000 Songbird to Best FTSO for the next epoch. Now, people are asking, when should I do this? And the truth is, the best time to do it was any time before today at 14:41, and that's at UTC time here. Now, I really want to just explain why this is. So let's start here. This period between Saturday at 08:41 in the morning, all of this time right up to Thursday is your best opportunity to start utilizing the Songbird token and considering who you want to delegate for. Now, if you actually change your delegation within this period, it doesn't matter about your rewards will still begin accumulating. Now, the reason why it's best to do it within this time is because at this point here, between Thursday and the next Saturday, which is when the epoch cycle starts, voting power or delegation lock will occur on any random block in this period. So what does that mean? It means that if you choose to re-delegate within this period here, it may not be locked in. And let me tell you why. So let's say we get right to the end, right close up to Saturday, and you decide to change. What happens if one of these random blocks was happening here? It would have already been locked in before you made your decision. So just think of it like this. If you don't manage to lock in a delegation prior to Thursday at this specific time, every second after that is becoming less likely that your vote will actually be delegated. So if you imagine it here right at the end, it's very unlikely because this random block which locks in your delegation will have already likely surpassed. Whereas in contrast, if you start it around here, there's a good chance that the random block is still selected somewhere within this time frame. So I know people are still thinking about re-delegating, and yes, there is time, but we don't know when this random block will occur, so we don't currently have any way to know if this block has surpassed or not. So the worst case scenario, and it's not even that bad, is that you choose to delegate somewhere within this period, and unfortunately the random block which locks in occurred before your delegation. Now what does that mean? Well, it means that your previous delegation will occur for the next epoch cycle. So I thought that was really important to clear up. Now, there is something else I would like to talk about, and this is maximizing your income from the Songbird token. As I mentioned earlier, this is the time you can happily play around with your Songbird, okay? Especially if you're not planning to re-delegate. So you could effectively re-delegate right here on Saturday at 8:41 or 8:45 something, I don't know, give yourself a little bit of a buffer, and then from there you may actually unwrap your Spark token and use it in other platforms to earn an income. It will not affect your rewards, but instead it will actually give you this opportunity to earn some more. So what kind of applications may we use to generate this extra income? Well, if we go here, we can see that trading has begun on Flare Finance's decentralized exchange, commonly known as Flare X. So let's just click the website here. Let's quickly connect up. And here we have it. This is the decentralized exchange. And we all know about decentralized exchanges, and if you don't, check the video linked above. But basically, the way that these decentralized exchanges work is that you need to provide liquidity in a paired liquidity pool. So right now there is only one pair that is trading, and it's SGB, Songbird, to CAND, which is Canary dollars. Now, all of the people that provide this liquidity actually get a small share of the fees generated from these trades on the decentralized exchange. So if you have both Songbird and Canary dollars, you can enter what we call a paired pool, and you can do that with this tab just up here called liquidity. Give that a click, and what you can do is you can click on supply, and you will supply an equal amount of both Songbird and Canary dollars into this paired pool, and they will be equal value. So Canary dollars is actually a stable coin. So $100 worth of Canary dollars will be worth $100 worth of the Songbird token. Now, the more that you add into this pool, the larger your share of the pool. You're providing more liquidity, and therefore the more rewards you will receive as a percentage. So this is just something to think about, and something which you can utilize to really maximize your income on the Songbird network. So that's it for today, short and sweet. I hope everyone has a great weekend coming up, and until next time, I'm out.
Mission Control, we have liftoff.